What's up, green bees? Welcome back to a new video on Mark's Universe, where I actually am going to craft something out of cardboard. And not just anything, I've looked into the comments and I'm actually gonna craft something that you've asked for. It's a diamond Minecraft pickaxe. I'm not sure if you remember this sword. I'm actually saying it right now, right? Sword, not sword, as I used to say it. Anyways, this sword is about 4 years old. It still looks pretty much the same, but everything on that sword is painted. And a viewer actually asked me if I could just glue on the paper. So that's what I did with this pickaxe. Also, good news for the people that don't have a PVC tube at home. This pickaxe is made without a PVC tube inside. There's just too much to say. I've done so much in the last few years. But I'm actually back to crafting and also talking English. It's pretty weird, okay? That's pretty weird. And actually let me know how long you've been waiting for a new crafting video, or how long you've been watching my old crafting videos. I would like to know. And without further ado, let's get started. What do we need? We need some cardboard. I used cereal boxes, scissors, a pencil and a ruler, crafting glue, black paint, this is for the sides of the pickaxe, and brushes, and some printed out axes. We'll need 2 for both sides. The link for this design will be in the description. The first thing that we need to do is cut out the cereal boxes so we can use them. I prefer using the cereal boxes for years, because they are free with the meals I buy. After you cut off the parts that you don't use, it is good cardboard to start crafting with. I do like being back and making these kinds of videos. It really took me a while to think of a better way to make these kinds of videos, and I still need to get an actual place to work, rather than just my floor, where Lily, my cat, can just walk all over these projects. I've cut the cereal boxes so that the big pieces are separated from the sides, like this. I'll show you why later. Now we're going to cut out the printed pickaxes. I've printed them on sticker paper, but normal paper will do. Once you have cut them out, I'm going to paste it on the bigger cardboard pieces. I've had some practice with this while making my own cards. So I used the ruler to go over the sticker, so it doesn't have any air or folds in it. Afterwards, this wasn't the best idea. It's better to stick the paper on after we've glued. But yeah, I've not done this for years, so don't blame me. Also, I have a little teaser here. It's a big box where Lily just made her little home for now. But I'm actually planning to make the diamond armor out of this. What I've promised you years ago.
Share it with every friend you want to get a little duel with. Well, don't, because you probably get hurt. You probably will need some diamond armor. I should make that.
After all the stickers are on the cardboard, we're actually going to cut out these cardboard pieces. I found it handy to first cut out quickly around the edges. That way you won't have to fight with the cardboard around it. After that, I just start cutting out all the corners. So now we have some nice flat pieces of pickaxes. And now to make them a little bit more thick, we're going to use the sides of the cereal boxes, as I said. And we're going to make some strips out of this, of 2 centimeters thick. The length doesn't matter, because we're actually going to cut it all to pieces anyways. After we've cut out enough strips, which I didn't, we're going to start pasting everything together. And this is the part what takes the longest. Sticking all the strips together like this, and also making it so that it won't break after one hit, that really takes a lot of time. I used to make these videos for the weapons and props that I would usually use on my own sketches and other videos. But I kinda stopped making those videos, and so I also stopped making the weapons and props. Only after a while I looked back at those videos and saw you all really liked it so much. And I just couldn't keep you waiting any longer. And after a while of gluing all these strips on, I was also looking at how to reinforce it even more. So basically I was sticking it all together like this. There's no real science to this. It just seems strong to me like this. And after all the gluing of the strips, we got something like this. And it's finally time to paste on the other half of the pickaxe on top of it. I needed to check every corner if it was sticked on good. And when it all was dry, I've started to cut out some of the edges before I started painting. Cutting these off might be something I like the most for some reason. And as I said, the pickaxe is made like you asked, without the PVC tube in the middle and with the paper sticked on instead of painting it on. But the sides don't really have a texture, so they don't have a sticker or anything, and I don't want the cardboard look. So now it's time to paint the sides of our project. I've made it all nice and black. I did 2 layers so it would cover it all good. And after that was all dry, we were basically done. And then we ended up with a pickaxe like this. So anyways, this is the final result. The diamond pickaxe from Minecraft. I'm really having fun making this video, I don't know why. So I guess now it's just a time to look at the difference. I would say the sticker is a little bit lighter, like the black isn't really black. And also I kind of screwed up with the glue, because you can see all the glue on the sticker. Because I decided to put the sticker on at the start, which in hindsight is actually a mistake. So there are still 2 things I could do. I could place another sticker on it, or I could actually repaint this. I'm not sure about that yet. And I actually think it's strong all the same. So in my opinion, it doesn't matter if you put a PVC tube in it or not. So it's actually fun to try out some new stuff. And that's mostly just because you recommended it, or that you asked if I could do it another way. And I'm actually planning to make a lot more crafting videos, because those actually get viewed quite a lot. I'm surprised. So if you like this creation, don't forget to like this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, because I'm going to make a few more crafting videos. And also let me know down in the comments below if you want me to create or craft anything else out of cardboard. And I actually think that was it for this video. I myself actually had like a lot of fun getting back to crafting with cardboard. It's actually kind of weird getting back to the English videos, because I'm not used to talking English in my camera. It will probably take some time to get back used to it. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.